This is our building right here. We're the Little Mermaid building. Standard room. Super cute theming. Love it. Squirrel. Hi, friend. All right, down here. All right, let's do a little tour. Hey, 617. Let's go inside. Well, hi. What are we doing? Are we back at Disney World? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Are we gonna give the room tour? Oh, you're already going to start by saying that there's storage under the bed? Funny. Okay, we're going to do the room tour. I got everybody dizzy there, just turning in a circle. All right, we are at Art of Animation. Yes. Before there was a Escapades with Ernie channel, this is the very first hotel that Ernie and I ever stayed at way back in 2019, in the before times. Yeah, so now we're back and we have a YouTube channel, so now we can do a proper room tour and give you guys the video. Amazing. So these are standard rooms. They're kind of tiny, but hey, if you've only got us, then you're good. Or even, look at this here. You've got 2 beds. So, I mean, you can sleep 4. It would be crowded, but you could sleep 4. So, this door right here when we came in. So as we said before, you've got 2 queen size beds that look super comfy. And as Ernie was pointing out earlier, you got plenty of storage here underneath if you want to put your suitcases under there. Fancy that. Over here in the middle, you have a little chest with a drawer for a little bit of storage. And then also your little gizmo there. If you would like to incorporate that magic into your vacation, you know the words to say. We won't say it. It'll automatically turn on, but hello friend, there you are. Some lovely, lovely artwork here. Little Mermaid, love it. Bubbles, bubbles, seahorses, so freaking cute. Got Prince Eric over there. That's a little bit tilted. Let's fix that. Let's, no, it's tilted. Okay, well, that's okay. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Huh, I still like it. It's pretty. And then you have a little octopus over here for hanging your coats and hoodies and things right there. Over here, big TV. We'll back up so you can see that. Look at that. Very nice. Lots of storage underneath. 3 big drawers. And over here is your mini fridge. Yes, there you go. Stock that up with your waters and such. Ice bucket here on the top. Remote control for the TV. Lots of plugs and USBs here. Excellent. And you have your little coffee maker right here as well. Over here to the left of the TV, got a little chairs and table with I was gonna say Part of Your World, but it's Under the Sea. You've got the Under the Sea lyrics and music here for your enjoyment. It's like built into the table, so it's not like something that will fly away, but very, very cute. A very cool mirror with all of the fishies and seashell lamps. I love it. I love it. I love it. And look at these curtains here. We'll close them up. Look at this. It's so cute. Under the sea. I love it. And our view, I also love, because, hello Skyliner, we will be taking you tomorrow over to Epcot for the opening day of the Flower and Garden Festival. So freaking excited. Yes, all right. Coming back into the room here, head back into the bathroom. We've also got this little curtain here, which separates for a little bit of privacy if you need, which I think is also adorable with the octopus and the fishies there doing Under the Sea. Love it. And here. All right, so you've got makeup mirror, counter, getting ready, hair dryer under here in this little cubby, little storage underneath. Over here where we've got all of our stuff, got a luggage rack, plenty of room for a suitcase and another backpack. We got a safe, ironing board, steamer, lots of hangers, extra pillow and blanket. I love the shell lighting, so pretty. Nice makeup mirror, whoops, there you go. Nice makeup mirror there. Lots of towels and soap. Inside the bathroom here is your shower with pretty much the coolest tile I've ever seen. I love it. I know some people might think it's a little bit too much. I like it. Look at that, under the sea. You're literally in Ariel's grotto. I love it. Towels over here, toilet, and then check out the shower curtain. It's Ariel with her thingamabobs. She's got 20. Look at that. Amazing. So pretty. And there's a full-length mirror here on the door so you can check yourself out before you're going to the park. Make sure you look cute. This is going to be fantastic. So excited to stay here. So happy to be back. Can't wait to go to the Flower and Garden Festival tomorrow. We'll have a video for that. So guys, make sure to subscribe if you are interested in seeing that opening day content. And we're excited to be here.